Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play multiplayer with friends in Off the Road 2. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the game on your device. Once you are in the game, tap on the Multiplayer tab. Here first, select your country according to your choice. Now, go back to Multiplayer tab and then tap on the Create Private button. This will create a private room and take you into the game lobby. Once you are in the lobby, tap on the three-line menu and copy the room ID and passcode. After copying them, send these details to your friend so they can join your private room. Now your friend needs to open the game, go to the multiplayer section and select the Join Specific option. Here they simply need to enter the room ID that you shared. If required, they should also enter the passcode. Once the information is entered correctly, they will be able to join your private room and play with you. And that's it. So that's basically how you can play multiplayer with friends in Off the Road 2. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.